full. Bring the truck around.
Slowing down for the gate now. Copy that, rolling up behind you.
Back it up slow. All right, lower the bundle now. Watch your hands, Tony. Clear the netting.
Temperature stabilized at 4 degrees. Secure the line.
Connection is good.
Initiating transfer sequence.
Here in the carbonation chamber, liquid CO2 is stored in massive tanks, completely covered in frost, maintaining 800 psi.
quality check complete. Resume full speed production line 1.
Looks like we're hitting the targets on the 6 and 24 counts.
Target order 1800 is approved for release.
Confirmed. Sending the instruction to the floor.
Manifest confirmed. Route 42, Bay 3. All clear. Seal it up.
Fleet departure underway. All trucks, confirm GPS lock and proceed to assigned sectors.
Take the exit ramp on the right toward Atlanta.
All right, back it up. A little tighter on the left. Steady. And hold it right there.
Scan complete on this pallet.
Confirmed. Route this one to the waiting van.
In 1/4 mile, turn right. Arriving at your destination, Main Street Market.
All right, just need you to sign right here for the Coke delivery.
Perfect. Everything checks out. Thanks, guys.
All right, these go here. Check the dates. Yeah, first in, first out.
Confirmed. System updated for the new shipment.
Look, if we buy 2, we get 1 free.
Yeah. That's a great deal. Let's grab 3 packs.
After replacing the syrup and checking CO2 pressure, we verify the mixture ratio for that perfect taste customers expect.
Here you go.
Thank you.
2 waters and a large cola, $22.50.
Did you get the Diet Coke for stand 3?
Hand these Sprites out, quickly.
Adaptability extends to sustainability. Our teams are implementing new recycled material programs across all formats.
Glass bottles here.
Cans and plastic in the next compartment.
All right, start the compactor.
The energy efficiency increase puts us ahead of target for Q3.
That's excellent news for the quarterly report.
This prototype uses 10% less plastic.
Significant weight reduction without compromising strength. It passes.
It's incredible how much we're recycling now.
And only 2% to landfill. We should be proud.
Systems look good. Confirming receipt of maintenance window notification.
This preventive approach minimizes unexpected breakdowns. After meticulous cleaning and lubrication, the machine is...
Congratulations on completing the program. Welcome to the Coca-Cola team.
Thank you, sir. We're ready to ensure consistent quality and safety.
It's amazing how far they've come since the vintage bottles. Look at this one, fully plant-based.
Loading targets achieved. Confirming successful completion of all pallets. Trucks are clear to depart. Great work, team.
Sector 4 clear.
Roger that. Tower 1 scanning the east side now. Lights activating.